Hello students. For the standard 7th we have seen last time this question answers from speaking skill question number 1, 2, 3, 4. For this one bigger one answer students, right? So today we are going to look this question number your what next one question number 5 students. So this question number 5 we are going to look students. See what is mentioned here students. Look at the picture students. Okay, look at the pictures. What is mentioned here? uh, See, this was a boy. I have decided to go abroad outside for higher studies. This is Ajit students. Then this is Anisha. Have you? I don't think I'll ever do that. I love my country. Let pair of students talk to each other about leaving the country. Okay. One students repeat Ajit's statement, another one, and the other gives a reason for not agreeing means opposing with Ajit. So this conversation questions are mentioned here students. See what questions are given. Let pairs of students talk to each other about leaving the country. One student repeat Ajit's statement, other repeat a reason for not agreeing. So in this way, a structure given students, the sentence opening given with what below Ajit should be used. Here fill in the blanks are used students that we are going to fulfill here. See next page we will see directly the answer students. Look now what a question is mentioned here students. See, if I leave this country, I will miss that dash. There are some things which you can't get here. For example, that here there are some special days I'll miss, particularly dash. Most of all, I miss dash because dash. I think it's impossible for me to leave my country because dash dash. How can you leave your own country except when dash? Depends on one's intention. I can't leave for good because dash, maybe for a couple of years dash. So this all the answers will see this page students. Look here, are you looking students? See what is answer given. I have decided. Ajit what said to go outside. Then Anisha what have you what I don't think no ever should that I love my country. So here whatever given students here dot you have to put here students. Okay, if I leave this country I will miss, this is your answer underline. Okay, black color students, my friends and family. There are some things which you can't get only here, for example food. Okay, then what is mentioned here, snacks and care and concern of people around. This way you have to complete the answer. There are this new sentence, some special days I'll miss, particularly the festivals, birthday and my parents and anniversary. Most of all, I'll miss my sister because we have been very close to each other and I can't live without her. I think it is impossible for me to leave my country because I love my country and my family too much. I can't go too far from them. How can you leave your own country except when there is an emergency? Depends on one's intention. I can't live for good because I want to celebrate my all special moment with my close ones. Then lastly what given, maybe for a couple of years I think it should be fine. Okay, so in this way you can complete this what question first answer students. Next question what is mentioned here students, that we'll see. Based on the following points write a story students. What, your aunt is gone to what mother's house, your uncle does this, his cooking, he is absent minded, he puts vegetable on stove, he began to clean his bicycle outside, the neighbors call out saying something is burning, your uncle rushes to the kitchen to save with vegetable, he puts some oil in them, unfortunately it's machine oil not cooking oil. What do you think happens to the vegetable may be not well cooked. Okay, so this answer we'll see next page students. Like this students, see, last month my aunt decided to visit my parents, they live in some other city. In absence of my aunt, my uncle had to do all the cooking. He is very forgetful and absent-minded. Absent-minded means what? A person who can't keep in mind a particular thing, in attention, especially attention. Absent-minded. Okay. One day he puts vegetable on stove for cooking, and at the same time he goes out to clean his bicycle. My uncle got involved in cleaning his bicycle so much time that he completely forgot about the vegetable he had kept on the stove. One of his neighbor came to his place hurriedly telling me about some burning smell coming from his kitchen. My uncle remembered about the vegetable he had kept on stove for cooking. He rushed to kitchen and to the stove and saved from getting burnt. He poured some oil over them immediately. Only at the time of the eating he realized it was not cooking oil but machine oil. The vegetables were completely spoiled. My uncle had to throw them away. It means here, as here mentioned, he was absent mind. He can't keep in mind. He was forgetting some of the things. In this way, this story have been what enjoyed. Write these two questions in your notebook, students, in good handwriting, students.